What's silently ruining your social interactions? Uncover the mystery behind bad breath. Have you ever felt self-conscious talking to someone, constantly worrying about bad breath? In this video, we'll explore unexpected reasons behind this common issue. Stick around, because by the end, we'll reveal a surprising tip that can boost your confidence instantly. Let's set the stage a bit. Bad breath, or halitosis, is an issue affecting millions, yet it often goes unnoticed until someone points it out. It's a barrier to social and professional interactions, but with the right knowledge, it's completely manageable. We'll uncover surprising hidden causes and equip you with practical solutions. First, consider your daily habits. Certain foods, like dairy, might not be the usual suspects, but they contribute significantly to bad breath for some people. Lactose promotes bacterial growth, leading to unpleasant odors. Try reducing dairy intake or replacing with lactose-free options and see how your breath transforms. Have you ever experimented with cutting down on certain foods? Next, look at the air around you. Environmental factors like pollution and even air conditioning can dry out your mouth, leading to inadequate saliva production and bad breath. Stay hydrated and consider using a humidifier at home or at work to maintain oral moisture. When was the last time you checked how your environment affects you? Lastly, let's address oral hygiene habits. Often, it's not enough to just brush your teeth. Flossing and tongue cleaning are vital in removing particles that your toothbrush might miss. Make a habit of flossing daily and using a tongue scraper to effectively remove bacteria. We've uncovered surprising habits that might be impacting your breath and given you tools to tackle them head on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're leaving with useful insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical wellness tips. And here's something special. Check the link in the description for a free checklist to elevate your oral hygiene routine, ensuring you're always conversation ready. Take advantage of this bonus to transform your social interactions today.